Alright, just another quick video. So, wasn't really showing how this was working. I put a bracket here, put a bolt here to a spring. So it just basically just puts tension here. Pivots on there. Now, a friend of mine asked me, why did I go with such heavy duty pillow block bearings? I didn't have to. I could have just gone with these really cheap ones, but it's things like this, grease zerks. I want to build this thing to last. You know, I'm not that old now. I have teenagers. I'm not yet 40, so that just lets you know how young I still am. But, you know, someday I would like my grandchildren to drive this stuff, you know, and I want it to last. I want to be able to pull this thing out of the shed and, like, hey, put some gas in it, start, you know, kick the motor off and let it run. So I just want it to be around. So I always overbuild if I can, you know. I overguss it. I put more supports in it than I think I need, and I go with heavier bearings and different things like that. Now I only went with the 4 3/4 shaft. I could have gone with a 1-inch shaft, but that was a little, you know, I'm trying to keep weight down too. But if you can overbuild, it never hurts to go overboard on the strength of stuff, in my opinion. But you do what you want. If you build your own bike, it's yours to do what you want with. So, yep. See if I get that. Yep. I'm almost getting to that point where I'm going to tear it all apart, weld everything up. I think I'm going to have the frame powder coated. And just don't know what color yet, but I think I'm going to have the frame powder coated. And yeah. It's going to be cool.